And I'm Dean.
And I'm Udi.
That's the Udi.
The famous Udi.
That's the Udi we've been talking about.
This is our special guest, and Mum is also in the background but doesn't want to be on the video.
And she is.
And today we are at the 10,000 Buddhas, which is in a place called Sha Tin. And we will see actually more than 10,000 Buddhas. I think there's about 300 or more Buddhas leading up to the top. These nice gold Buddhas that have all these cool different faces. And then there's also a pagoda, and inside one of the temples at the top, there's I think 13,000 Buddhas. So it doesn't really make sense why it's called 10,000 Buddhas.
13,001 when I get there.
You're a loser.
But it's weird though, they don't look like Buddhas, they look more like monks than Buddhas, but it looks quite interesting. Udi, what do you think?
I think it's all been very good so far, but we've only just started, so more to come.
Very good.
Entry to the 10,000 Buddhas is free, and it's open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. It's only a 10-minute walk from the Sha Tin MTR station, but it's a bit difficult to find as there aren't a lot of signs. We wrote a detailed post on how to get there, so check out scatabout.com/collaborations for details.
So Dean, what did you think of the actual, what's this called?
10,000 Buddhas?
The 10,000 Buddha, like inside the pavilion.
It was quite interesting, I must admit. I like the one at the big Buddha, so it's bigger hall.
Yeah, no, but this one's cool.
Yeah,
and
okay,
all
but
the
it's
Buddhas.
13,000 Buddhas. Right?
Yeah, and the Buddhas all look different in there as well.
And I learned something, apparently there's actually a dead body in there, like a dead monk or something, and they covered him up in a big glass case. Yuet Yay or something.
Yeah.
Yuet Yay.
I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen.
At the top is a shop and some toilets, as well as a number of statues, shrines, and a pagoda.
So we just finished the walk. Yay!
Well,
Well, we're near the end. Udi, what did you think of it?
I loved it. I thought it was very interesting, and every single Buddha was completely different, so it was very, very cool.
Yes, very interesting. It's a bit of a hike though, so you probably want to
especially on a hot day.
Yeah. So would you recommend it for people of all ages?
I'd recommend it, even if you had a pram, as long as you could push up and down hill fine, you could come here, because there is walkway, like flat walkway and stairs. But I think maybe if you're older, you could still enjoy it, but maybe just walk a little bit up the way.
Very good. So thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Very good.
Bye.
Bye.
And what are we doing today, Udi?
We're going on a very scary cable ride up to the big Buddha.
Mum and Udi are both scared of cable car rides, so this should be very interesting. You look nervous, Udi. What are you doing there, Udi?
Entrance to the big Buddha is free. I didn't tell Mum and Udi this, but catching the cable car isn't the only way to get there. You can also catch a cab or walk. But to get the best views, we suggest catching the cable car.
There's the big Buddha. Right there.
It's 5.7 kilometres long and takes about 25 minutes. It gets really busy, so buy tickets first online and get there early. For the cable car, adult tickets are from 235 Hong Kong dollars, approximately $30 US for a round trip. Make sure you check Klook for discounts. The cable car is open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. during the week and 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. on the weekends and public holidays. Besides the obvious attraction, which is Tian, or otherwise known as the Big Buddha, other attractions include the Grand Hall of the 10,000 Buddhas and the monastery. There are also a number of restaurants and shops.
So how'd it go, Woody?
Well, Amanda, I don't think I'm the best person to ask about that one.
Why not?
Because I am petrified of things that are in the air that have the ability to drop. So, but once we got up there, it was very, it was a big Buddha. It was good. Very touristy. Not sure if I'd say it was better than the 10,000 Buddhas. But, it was a good building.
Okay, very good. Bye, Woody.
Bye.
If you like what you see, click the subscribe button and hit the bell.